Namaskar, Federation of International Hockey World Cup for Men. This is the brainchild of Pakistan. Now, how to remember the countries which have won the Hockey World Cup Men? Here we see the total list where Pakistan won in 1971, 78, 1982 and 1994, whereas Netherlands 1973, 1990 and 1998 thrice. Australia also won thrice, 1986, 2010 and 2014, whereas Pakistan with 4 world titles is at the top, whereas Germany twice in 2002 and 2006, and India won in 1975, whereas the most recent champion in 2018 at Bhubaneswar was Belgium. Okay, now how to remember these countries? Now let us see. The trick to remember is simply Big Pan. Okay, Big Pan. So where B stands for Belgium, I for India, G for Germany, P for Pakistan, A for Australia and N for Netherlands. Now here you see in the PAN, Pakistan 4 times, Australia thrice, Netherlands also thrice, whereas Germany with the 2 titles and India and Belgium with 1 title each. So here the trick to remember is Big Pan. Okay, so you need to remember that India and Pakistan are neighboring countries, whereas Netherlands, Germany and Belgium are also neighboring countries in Europe. So this is very interesting point you need to remember. Otherwise, simply by mnemonics one cannot remember, that I challenge. So not only by mnemonic helps only when we have somewhat the basics clear. So Belgium, Netherlands and Germany, they touch each other, that means bordering countries in Europe, whereas Pakistan and India, they share boundary with each other in Asia. Coming to Australia, it is of course an island nation. Okay, so in this way, Big Pan, so Belgium, India, Germany and Pakistan, Australia and Netherlands. In this way we can remember the 6 countries till date who have won the Hockey World Cup title in men. So please do subscribe, share and comment. I will come up with new tricks